How to increase Coinbase limit. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Coinbase limit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Coinbase app and sign in. So let me sign in real quick. So after signing in, if you haven't verified your identity, you will probably get this. Verify your identity required by financial regulations. And if you verify your identity, your Coinbase limit will increase. So to verify your identity, just tap on start and tap on continue, and here enter all these details. And you have to then, after entering all these details, tap on continue, and you have to verify yourself and your Coinbase limit will be increased. So guys, this is how you can increase your Coinbase limit. Thanks for watching.